Everyone, welcome to Hot Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to do conditional formatting in Excel. It could be very helpful if you have a lot of data and you want to highlight specific things you are looking for instead of going through each cell and highlighting it. So to highlight any data, you just select the data that you want to highlight and go to home and then conditioning. So highlight cell rules and then these are all the conditions that are already there. You can also create custom rules, but I'll be making another video on that. So please subscribe and so you get notified when I post that video. So for this one, we'll just use whatever is already there. Let's use greater than. So let's do greater than, and then so this is the number it's selected. It automatically selected and it's highlighting all the numbers that are greater than that. We can change that to let's select this number and every so it's highlighting everything that is greater than this number. We can change the color of that and make it yellow. Here we go. So now we apply this condition and everything that was greater than the number is highlighted yellow. Now we want to add another condition. Now I want to make sure that I also highlight numbers that are less than. So let's do less than. And then I want to make a, I want to create a custom color for that. So custom color, I want to fill the cell with green. Okay. And there we go. And this number is too high. I want to choose a smaller number. So this seems to be a small number. Okay. There we go. So all numbers that are smaller than the number we just chose are highlighted green. All numbers that are greater than the number we chose are highlighted yellow. Let's see. I can add multiple. So let's clear this rule and clear. Now add multiple greater than rules. So I can add multiple greater than rules. So I'm looking for numbers that are greater than, let's see, greater than, let's choose a bigger number. This number, greater than this. I want them to be red, but I also want another condition where I'm like, okay, I want a number that is also greater than this. And this one, I want it to be something else. I want that color to be blue and font, I want that to be italicized and yep, there we go. So all numbers that are greater than that number are actually blue now. And it seems like some of the rules are highlighted. So some of these are red. It's just because the previous rule is actually applied here. So that is why these are red. Okay, let's clear that and clear this rule. Clear both of the rules. So there were two rules applied. Now let's do the between. So between can be used similar way. You just choose one number and you choose the next number and then whatever is between those numbers is highlighted. So these are the numbers that are between these two numbers. I can make them custom as well. Fill them blue. Okay. And okay. And now I want to create another rule. Well, apply another rule that is similar. It's between, but now I want to change the number. So I want to choose this one. And then from here, I want to choose this one. Let's see. Yeah, I want to choose this one. I want to make sure they're okay. And I want to make them custom again. Orange. Here we go. So it seems like some of the rules that we applied to the previous one is kind of overlapping. So let's change that. Let's not choose something that is overlapping. Let's choose something that is not overlapping. So we can choose 53, this one, and for this one we can choose this. These seems to be small numbers. Yep, here we go. So now we have two rules. The previous one was highlighting it blue. Now this one is highlighting it orange or yellow, whatever you call this. Okay, let's clear this rule again. Now the third rule we have is equal to. So if you're looking for something specific, uh, if you're looking for a number, let's see this, it's going to highlight everything that is this number, the entire uh, data that you have selected. Since all these fours are here, that's why I just selected this four. So if you choose this one, it will select something else. Let's choose this. Uh, why is it choosing that? There we go. Hmm. I'm not sure what's happening here. Let's clear all the rules to make sure all the rules are clear. And then equal to. So let's choose this. That's very interesting. Let's type in the numbers 200,000. Yep, there we go. I'm not sure why it's not letting me choose it like that, but if you type in, you can see that the 200,000 is highlighted. I'll just make this green. There we go. Let's do that. Let's do the next one. You see the text. So this is very nice. If you looking for something, if you have a lot of text data and you're looking for something specific in that text, like, hey, I have these many rows and I'm looking for a text that contains a specific word, we can do that. We can do east, choose east here. So now it is highlighting everything, every word that has east in it. We can again change the color to customs, uh, make it yellow like this. Uh, yeah, or we can do uh, red borders. It will just change the border of the cell to red. Instead of east, we can choose also something else, like we can use family homes. Now it is selecting everything that has family homes. I'll just make this yellow. There we go. So now it is selecting everything that has family homes in it, that has homes written in it. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, that's with the text contain. The date occurrence is sort of, if you're looking for dates, we don't have any dates in here, so I can't use this. But you can apply the same kind of rule to dates as well. And now let's do for the duplicates. So this could be helpful if you're looking for data that is not duplicate. So let's click on here and see. I want to make sure that it highlights all the duplicates. Okay, all the duplicates. So these two are duplicates and it's highlighting it. Let's make it yellow. Okay, and see 38,000. Oh well, 38 million, whatever. Same number, and then 200,000, same number. You can apply that to more text, like here. Let's clear the previous rule, and then let's do that duplicate again. Duplicate. So all these numbers are duplicate now. See, 1,000. Well, 1 million right here, and then 35 million right here. We can again change the cell to custom the way we like it, like this. And that's pretty much it with the formatting. It could be, they could be very helpful if you're looking, if you have specific rules in mind and you want to apply to that instead of going to each cell looking at it, if it kind of follow your rules or not. So it could be like a faster way to highlight things you that are relevant to you. In the next video, I'll probably be making new rules and I'll be showing you how to create new rules that are already not present. So please subscribe so you get notification when I post that video. But this is it for this lesson. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. You can comment any suggestions that you have and anything you would like me to cover. I'll be more than happy to do it. And see you in the next video.